बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम नेशनल असेंबली असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर मीडिया सोल्ड पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 19/8/2023 को हुआ था, इसके एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, टाइम मैगजीन नेम्ड एज पर्सन ऑफ द ईयर 2021। करेक्ट आंसर ए, एलोन मस्क। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ सूडान। करेक्ट आंसर सी, सूडानी पाउंड। Question number 3, what is the name of capital of Armenia? Correct answer A, Yerevan. Question number 4, who is the current Prime Minister of United Arab Emirates? Correct answer B, Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Question number 5, AeroAsia is the airline of. Correct answer A, Pakistan. Question number 6, BSS is the news agency of which country? Correct answer C, Bangladesh. Question number 7, the International Court of Justice is located at. Correct answer B, Hague. Question number 8, SAARC was established in. Correct answer D, Dhaka. Question number 9, what was the theme of the 2022 World Environment Day? Correct answer B, living sustainably, harmony with nature. Question number 10, who is the current Chief Justice of Federal Shariat Court of Islamabad, Pakistan? Correct answer D, Justice Iqbal Hamidur Rahman. Question number 11, NASA stand for. Correct answer D, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Question number 12, how many countries are landlocked in Asia? Correct answer B, 12 countries. Question number 13, what is the SI unit of temperature? Correct answer A, Kelvin. Question number 14, Europe accounts for nearly %% of world population. Correct answer D, 9.3. Question number 15, who is the first Pakistani woman to climb Mount Everest? Correct answer C, Samina Beg. Question number 16, in 12-hour clock system, what is PM stand for? Correct answer B, post meridian. Question number 17, when was the Indian Water Treaty signed? Correct answer B, 19th September 1960. Question number 18, in which Hijri Zakat was made obligatory? Correct answer A, second Hijri. Question number 19, the largest producer of coffee is. Correct answer C, Brazil. Question number 20, who built Rohtas Fort near Jhelum? Correct answer C, Sher Shah Suri. Question number 21, after the 25th amendment, the seats of National Assembly have been reduced to. Correct answer B, 336. Question number 22, the number of general seats allocated for Punjab province in the National Assembly is. Correct answer D, 141. Question number 23, after the 25th amendment, the seats of Senate have been reduced to. Correct answer C, 96. Question number 24, who is the chairman of Council of Common Interest? Correct answer B, Prime Minister. Question number 25, before entering upon office, the Auditor General of Pakistan shall make oath before. Correct answer C, Chief Justice of Pakistan. Question number 26, every citizen shall have the right to freedom of speech and expression under the Article dash of the Constitution of 1973. Correct answer B, 19. Question number 27, the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 5 to 16 years under the Article dash of the Constitution of 1973. Correct answer C, 25 article. Question number 28, which category of non-current record retains record for less than 3 years? Correct answer D, category D. Question number 29, retention schedule term used in secretariat instruction which involves. Correct answer A, categorization of files. Question number 30, as per secretariat instruction DFA stands for. Correct answer C. Draft for approval. Question number 31. As per Secretariat instruction O dash C stands for. Correct answer B. Office copy. Question number 32. The communication intended to be addressed to the foreign mission directly by the ministries, divisions, etc. should be in the form of letter ending with. Correct answer A. Your trustee. Question number 33. Dash form of letter should be used for correspondence between the division and attached departments and their subordinate offices. Correct answer C. Memorandum. Question number 34. Which of the following is the smallest unit of data in a computer? Correct answer A. Byte. Bit. Question number 35. What does GUI stand for? Correct answer C. Graphical User Interface. Question number 36. Microsoft Word is dash software. Correct answer B. Application software. Question number 37. Which shortcut key is used to bring up the find and replace dialog box in Microsoft Word? Correct answer B. Control plus H. Question number 38. In an Excel worksheet, each small rectangle or box is known as. Correct answer D. Cell. Question number 39. Which of the following can be used to navigate documents? Correct answer B. Hyperlinks. Question number 40. What is the function of Control plus P in Microsoft Word? Correct answer C. Open print dialog box. Question number 41. Which word is synonyms of flabbergasted? Correct answer A. Astonish. Question number 42. Which word is synonyms of impeachment? Correct answer C. Indictment. Question number 43. Which word is synonyms of xylose? Correct answer D. Question number 44. Which word is an antonym of capitulate? Correct answer A. Conquer. Question number 45. Which word is an antonym of erudite? Correct answer C. Ignorant. Question number 46. Which word is an antonym of opka? Correct answer D. Transparent. Question number 47. To talk one's head off means. Correct answer D. To talk excessively. Question number 48. To keep one's head means. Correct answer B. To remain calm. Question number 49. Find the correct passive voice sentence. He read a book. Correct answer C. A book was read by him. Question number 50. The grapes are now dash enough to be picked. Correct answer B. Rip. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.